Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. So in this video, this message from the future, we are going to do this chit chat regarding the Neo Geo AES 161-in-1 version number 2 multi-game card. So for the people who didn't know, there are multi-game cards for the AES, even for the unique and obscure systems we having multi-cards. And for the collectors, I think this can be a great way to play the original games, not grabbing your old expensive multi-game cards. So what you can see with this version, it comes even complete with a box. But there is one thing I just need to tell you. They are already warning you with something. As you can see over here, you can buy it with a power supply. And the reason why is because if you combine this multi-game card with your original AES system, it's going to consume a little bit more energy. In other words, the original power supply that you're using for your Neo Geo is not good enough. So that's something you need to consider if you're going to buying this cartridge. So in other words, they have released this new card. They improved a lot of things if I read this. So basically what they did, besides you can have in packaging, and this would be more like an addition to your collection. So first of all, they put all the games in alphabetic order. So that is a very good thing. It remembers the last time you have played a game. For example, you're game 55, you reset the system and it will remember this. This is something that I did see before with NES Super NES and Sega Mega Drive multi-game cards. Even some minor things, problems, because they're using MVS games on AES, all the minor bugs, they say they fixed it. So in other words, this needs to be on very good 161-in-1. I'm very curious about it, but they also changed. They are talking here, they entered some buffer chips to the PCB board. So that is something that's really cool. I really love the artwork. They even changed the menu of the multi-card because that was pretty horrible. So I think this can be a very interesting product, and when I'm getting myself an AES, I will review this thing. It's very expensive to buy, but I just want to show you what are we going to get. So we're having an old version out there, and the old version, I need to check it for you. As you can see over here, this is the older version. So I don't know how this is going to be combined with the, let's say if you're going to do a side-by-side comparison. I think if you want to spend a lot of money, I think this thing, the 161-in-1, the old version, no, I think this will be a good option. If you look at the price, for example, $110, and if you combine this thing with let's say the power supply let's round it up to $100. But shall we check what are the other options we're having here? So let's talk about not the old card, but let's talk about the consoleized MVS. The consoleized MVS is an option. We can buy old systems that are, let's say, customized or consoleized, and we can buy brand new ones. If you don't have a Neo Geo, maybe this can be a good option for you. But as you can see, it comes with a very big price tag. For this price, you can almost buy, and let's say an original MVS, I would say an original mainboard that has been consoleized and then into a console on eBay, for example. Or you can save some money and buy an AES version. Alright, so the MVS is a good option because, as you can see, we're having very cheap multi-game cards. There are a couple out there, but this is basically the first one and the best one. Still have some problems if you're going to use this thing with a converter. Been there, done that, and I can tell you it's a very expensive way. So I think with the new multi-game cards, if you look at this price, let's say around $235, it will cost you. In other words, the new multi-game card, I think this can be a very interesting option if you are more like want to have this thing for a collection, or if you want to play original games just for an easy way. This can be a very nice option, and it's very cheap combined with the MVS. And again, with the MVS, you still have the problem with the converter that doesn't work very well. And if you look at the first generation, maybe if this thing gets around $75, this can be very interesting. So, but let me know what do you think of this? What do you think of this multi-game card system for the AES, and what do you think? What is your favorite one? Do you like the first generation for a cheaper price, or are you thinking, alright, just grab the expensive one complete with box? I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, become one of the Wicked family, and we'll see you in the next video.